what are we installing today? What's the part?
Well, Hasport mount, you know, the rim engine mount.
From Hybrid Racing?
Hasport.
Hasport?
Yeah.
Motor mounts?
Yep.
Okay. Stock one right here?
Yeah.
Alright. Which one? That one's smaller, right? Or about the same?
No, it's a bit smaller. Yeah, you can tell the
Right?
you can tell the head is smaller. This shit's thicker though.
This looks pretty easy to install, no?
Yeah, although this right here looks thick as fuck too.
Oh yeah, the end piece?
Yeah,
that's true. Will we feel a difference like when I'm in the passenger or
yeah, it will start vibrating a lot.
Yeah.
On idle. And you got these two. Right? I don't know if you have clips. No man, is that clips? Oh
clips?
my god, no way. So you got basically four up here. So you got these. I can get in. No, you can't get in there with it. I don't know. Or you can probably get it now, dude. Low key. Instead of taking up the sides, you can probably just from here. Unless you want to take up the other two on the side. So like fold it completely.
There we go.
Where am I going?
Where are you going?
I don't know. I'm still drunk.
Where are you?
No.
Are you drunk?
Of course you start recording when I'm struggling, on the one I'm struggling, right?
I'm gonna edit this. Come on, dude. You think this is gonna be a whole video? I gotta chop it up, dude.
All those rocks.
Yeah, all those fucking rocks.
Now I just get the 19 now?
Yeah.
That's like the one that, remember we took out because when we put in Phillips exhaust?
Yeah. You took that out? You did the same thing?
Yeah, when we put on his exhaust, you had to put the front pipe.
He has the same exhaust?
No, there's a different one. Oh yeah, outgrow. It's not that far.
There you go.
Ooh.
Money.
It's brand new. Okay. Anyway.
Here, listen.
You see the whole thing move?
The end piece is fatter, like my dick.
Oh, hell no.
You didn't think I was recording that?
Oh, you recorded that shit too?
Yeah, it's recording. Fucking smashes my camera.
You got the content. You should probably pull up, dude.
Don't worry, I'll edit this out.
What do you mean? How you take out the bottom of the bag? Just pull up, no? Yeah, she's coming out, no? Oh, it's coming out. Let me put it back inside, bro.
We cut it out. There it is.
I got another piece, dude.
That's a stock one for the Type R. That's how the
Hasport.
Hasport. It's a real person. Got it? You need to hold anything?
Nah, I should be okay. Get it. No, see, yeah, this shit's not going. I don't know how the fuck he wedged it in there, because look, if you see.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Ah, see that, mijo. Oh, watch out for this right here.
Is it going in with this? There we go.
How you gonna put the knot on? Oh yeah, fuck. Oh. Got your face camera, man. This is the man, the myth, the legend, Jason, that knows everything. He got you.
I never said that,
But yeah, he's good. He knows what he's doing. And we're just bummed.
Why don't you put the screwdriver under it?
What do you mean?
To hold the engine out.
Oh,
The block of wood and the screwdriver.
oh, that's true. What did I say, guys? He's the man.
Trying to keep you from fucking up your own car.
That's true. He's just looking out for you.
That's what he does. Right there?
Somebody's got it.
There you go.
Wow, look at that.
I can't tell if it's moving, right?
What's moving on?
It looks like the whole thing. Engine lifting now, right?
Looks like it went up.
Put it in the back more.
Yeah.
Is that the only mount you're changing?
Yeah.
When you took it out, did this drop down?
Yeah.
The back?
Okay. What the hell's my dad listening to? Oh shit. What I mean.
We're struggling a little bit to get this last fucking bolt, the screw in right here. It's a bitch.
When you do these, you're supposed to loosen all the mounts, but
Really?
yeah, to kind of recenter everything. I mean, it should be fine as long as you held it up.
Should be good, right? Hey, what?
Is that an AWE exhaust stuff?
No. Will be soon.
Will be soon.
It's a Grady.
Damn, it's dark as shit in here.
It just shows it's more sturdy.
Does it really?
Yeah.
Like more tighter?
Yeah. Oof, tight.
Just like the pussy.
Going to arm mode, fuck it.
Do it. Do a nasty pull.
I kind of feel mine. I guess I can see what they mean about like vibrating a little bit, but like way more stiff, like
Yeah.
tighter, you know what I mean?
That's how when I installed my shift knob, my shift boot, it feels more tighter.
Oh, that felt good. Oh, hell yeah, it feels a lot better.
Yeah?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude. That shit feels good as fuck. Damn, that shit feels good, bro. You feel more planted. Fuck. No more wheel hop.
Yeah.
No more wheel hop. I would have been hopping before.
Alright, so what do you think about the Hasport mount?
I think it came out good. I mean, it feels a lot better. I mean, you feel more planted to the road, and it's just all around good. I definitely recommend it to anybody. You need to buy it. Sway needs to buy it. You know.
Yeah.
I definitely recommend getting it. It feels so much better, man. And then once you actually drive it, you're gonna be like, oh, I know what you're talking about. And that, you know, everyone was telling me like, yeah, you should get it. You should get it. And I listened to them, got it, and I'm happy with it. Honestly, it's definitely worth it. Can't go wrong.
And it was so easy to install.
Yeah,
too.
it wasn't that bad.
It wasn't not bad at all.
You know, except for us just fucking around, you know,
Yeah.
talking shit. That's, you know, you get a little distracted. But other than that, no, it was easy, good, simple
Not bad.
install, you know, not that bad.
Hell yeah.
All right, man. Well, we're out of here.
Alright.
Later.
Peace, bro.
Boba this week.
Boba,
Yeah.
the car meet, everything.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
Subscribe.
You heard him. Alright, bro.
All right, man.
Peace.